Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove email address on LinkedIn profile. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, tap on it, and here now you can tap on settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now after a few seconds of loading, this type of page will be open. Now you can tap on sign in and security here, and now you can tap on email address, and if you want to remove the email address, you can add the another email address, because the LinkedIn profile doesn't allow to remove all the email address, so one email address is always added to your LinkedIn profile, and this is the way you can remove email address on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.